Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are diving into something truly special that bridges vintage British style with futuristic technology, the 2024 Maeving RM1S. If you have been looking for an urban machine that turns heads at every stoplight while keeping your ride completely zero emissions, this retro-inspired electric motorcycle might just be your dream machine. Taking a look at the exterior, the Maeving RM1S is an absolute masterpiece of classic bobber design. It commands attention with its timeless silhouette, stunning spoked wheels, sweeping lines, and elegant paint finishes that honor classic British cafe racers. Up front, you get a clean round headlight, bar-end mirrors, and high-quality trim that give it a bespoke, handcrafted finish. The 19-inch Dunlop tires give it an assertive stance on the tarmac, making sure you look incredible, whether parked outside a coffee shop or carving through city streets. Moving to the rider experience and interior ergonomics, sitting on the RM1S feels surprisingly premium and effortless. You get a beautifully sculpted, diamond-stitched bobber solo seat that places you in a comfortable, upright riding posture. Where a traditional fuel tank would sit, Maeving has cleverly placed a 10-liter watertight, lockable storage compartment complete with an integrated USB-C port, perfect for charging your phone or carrying daily essentials on the go. Now, let's talk about what lies under the hood, or in this case, inside the frame and rear wheel hub. The RM1S packs a serious upgrade over its predecessor, featuring a silent rear hub electric motor that delivers up to 10.5 kilowatts of peak power. That gives you instantly responsive torque and pushes this light 133 kilo bike all the way up to a top speed of 70 miles per hour, making it capable on open A roads as well as tight city lanes. Feeding that electric motor are two dual 2.73 kilowatt-hour removable battery packs mounted low in the chassis. They offer up to 80 miles of range on a single charge, and you can plug the bike directly into a standard outlet or slide the batteries out to charge them inside your home or office. When it comes to price, the 2024 Maeving RM1S starts at approximately $7,195 in the UK and around $8,995 in North America. While that puts it in premium territory for an urban commuter, the practically non-existent fuel costs, low maintenance overhead, and direct-to-consumer delivery service make a compelling case for your daily commute. Safety and stopping power have also been upgraded on the RM1S. Stopping is handled by a 300mm front disc brake and a 180mm rear disc brake equipped with a combined, linked braking system. This distributes braking pressure smoothly between the front and rear wheels, giving beginner and seasoned riders alike reassuring control on wet or uneven asphalt. Paired with agile handling, predictable throttle delivery, and integrated anti-theft security features, you get a confident and stress-free ride every time you roll out. To summarize, the 2024 Maeving RM1S delivers the ideal mix of throwback cafe racer aesthetics and modern electric convenience. It fixes the speed limitations of early urban electric bikes, giving you highway-capable power without sacrificing an ounce of style or usability. What do you think of the Maeving RM1S? Would you swap your petrol commuter for this retro electric bobber? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.